Really? At the rainforest, it's pouring rain. Oh, they're not playing this out. So it's 8 minutes. That's crazy. Alright, so it costs 8 to get up, pouring rain. So much swimming down there. Time is roughly 1:47. I've like spent like 5 minutes walking so far. Bathroom costs 50 ringgits, which is kind of crazy. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So it seems like this is the waterfall down here. Still continue up, but I'm out of breath. I'm gonna go down. Only issue is there are really no steps. Hey guys, that was way too steep for my knees. So we're gonna go from the other side. Hopefully continue up this path. There's another path over there. This is, so I'm assuming that this is the lower level waterfall. I believe there's five or four. And yeah, we got plenty to go. So no rush. Don't need to break my knees on level 1. So if you keep walking, there aren't these steps. This is second level, I believe. Those are a lot of steps. My ankle, holy shit. I'm gonna go up more. Pray for me. Okay. Holy shit. I think finally made it to the top. Holy shit. There's still more going up. I'm gonna explore really quick. Holy shit. Oh, I am exhausted. So, total time to get up here from the base is took about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Alright guys, we made it. I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes. This is pretty much the top. Now the issue is, how do I get down without busting my ass? Oh man. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's a fucking waterfall, mate. I reckon 17 degrees Celsius. Cold as shit. Bunch of water. Shit. Yeah. That's it. Ooh. Well guys, crashed my drone right here. I was trying to line up a selfie shot on this bridge, and then what happened was, I think the drone moved back upright a little bit too much. Hit a branch right here. I kind of like panicked, moved it forward, and then it hit like this branch, and then it just fell down into this waterfall. And then I was panicking to go put all my stuff away. Went down, I saw it in the ditch, picked it up. It's all wet. Well, shit happens. Shit happens. Hopefully I don't bust my ass going down here. Oh shit! That's pretty much what happened earlier. Because my shoes are soaking wet going in here. I will forever remember this waterfall. First things first, gotta head back. See how long it takes to get down to the base waterfall. Maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Yeah, this part's gonna be a bitch. Pretty sure I came up this way. Maybe I'll try going over here this time. This path is here for a reason, right? Nope, there's no way. Way too steep. Oh shit. Oh, this part's gonna be tricky. Might be slippery. Okay, so we made it past the hard part, which is going from a level 4 waterfall up to the level 5, because there are really no steps. Even this is way better than what I just went through. Steps are here. Just take your time. There's no rush. I'm like, oh shit, my foot's about to fall. My knee. There we go. Right there. Okay. It took like 7 minutes because I was trying to be extra careful. Now this part is the easy part. Just watch out for your feet because some of these are broken. Okay, let me make a left. So I think I skipped this part earlier. There are monkeys here. I already know I'm gonna get my shit yoinked. Oh man. This would have been a great drone shot. Unfortunately, I fucked up. Mama monkey and baby monkey. This mic just fell in the water. 5-second rule. Hopefully that applies here in Malaysia. If it doesn't, well, I'm sure I'll look for the Philippines. So, that's pretty much Kanching Waterfall, rainforest waterfall. Pretty cool. There's no reason going all the way up there like I did, like a dumbass, and crashing my drone. So, I'll see you guys down at the Batu Caves. Probably tomorrow, because it looks like it's about to fucking rain. Alright guys, so we got rice. Nice layer. Pray for me guys. Pray for me.